ngarang October gi kang kunipan gi ayukta college gi geta bo ba Cheron cross iraga thamamba arang dagi viral oirabani nupi ngakta gi tamba college nupi na yamba su ojai bo college asigumba college da yamna aki akhang thuan base masi aikoi pendaba hungdok jabo ina aikoi si protest tong jabo asigumba college asida yamna security gi yamna high alert oiba jaga asida aikoi leibagi yam nungai jare haina khalluba angang sing e parents sing na ngasi college sin tamaning dara laiba sing se ngarang dagi akiba phawdana ngarang di paw si viral sakiba dagi ngarang college da chhatra ayam lakti asi su lakti maram di akiba hai putra maram oi kari oi gada ge tamangam de hojiki batam sida sigumba kanu si koina threat piba se masi yamna mak ekoi da nungai taba phawi hai se tamjagi.
We, the student of GP Women College and the teacher of GP Women College, unite together and do this protest due to the incident that has occurred in our college gate about bombing. We are so disappointed in the governments of Manipur. This is the biggest failures of our universities, our biggest failures of this Manipur. So we urge and request the government of Manipur and the university to take an actions to give us an explanation why this thing happens. We the women wants to study freely. We the women wants to live in comfortable place. So I urge and request the government to take action as soon as possible. And I beg the government, please, 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 don't let this incident happen again in the future. We are the younger generations. We are your future. We are the future of Manipur. So we stand before you and requested you, don't let this incident happen again.